Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on Minion Rush. Inviting someone to join into Minion Rush is a straightforward process. First of all, launch open Minion Rush application on your device and from the main home page, click on the Recruit class option and this will then bring you up this interface from where you'll need to tap on the top Run Friends option at the top right. Now once you get to this page, in order to compete with your friends, you will need to invite them into the game, so tap on Invite Friends. Before tapping on Invite Friends, remember that you must be connected to your Facebook account. And once you are, you can tap on Invite Friends and select your Facebook friends from the list whom you'd like to invite to the game. Simply tap on the box right next to your friend's name and tap on Send. You will now be able to send the invitation to join in to Minion Rush. And there you have it. That is how you can easily invite a friend on Minions Rush. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.